Actually, they are immature. They should have addressed the region. They feel that they will come to somebody's house, Rahul will speak, people will change decision. Life is not like that. When a party leader, after serving a party for good 30 years, 34 years, resign, then there must be a very big serious reason. So they should have addressed the reason. Now, if you go to Majuli and take one particular leader in the yatra, that means he doesn't want Congress to win. So if there is a genuine Congress leader, he will feel pain that this party is actually not fighting to win election. I have gone through the same pain. The day when I went to join BJP, that point of time, I also got those kind of calls. But these people, they live like a feudal lord. So they think that we will call and decision will be changed. But nobody wants individual decisions to be changed. People want correction. People want rectification. So if somebody say, I have gone to Islamabad to see park, hotel, shops, and you give approval to those statements, then are you not an anti-national?